In the heart of Nigeria's bustling economic landscape, Aliko Dangote, Africa's richest man, is orchestrating a transformative chapter poised to redefine the nation's industrial and economic trajectory. His latest ventures, a monumental seaport and a cutting-edge cement factory in Ogun State, are not merely infrastructural projects. They are emblematic of a visionary's quest to propel Nigeria and Africa into a new era of self-sufficiency and global prominence. Aliko Dangote has announced plans to build the country's largest seaport at the Olokola Free Trade Zone in Ogun State. At the same time, he is pushing forward with the construction of a massive 6 million metric ton per annum cement factory in Itori, Ogun State. He revealed his plans on Monday during a courtesy visit to the state governor. These projects, expected to be completed in the coming years, highlight Dangote's unwavering commitment to transforming Nigeria into an industrial powerhouse.
I must really thank you, Excellency, for bringing economic development to Ogun State. And that is why, having seen what you've done, knowing that you've been doing great work, that is why silently we also came back to Ogun State. We had left before. Honestly, we had left before, but right now we are back in full force. Indeed, Ogun State today is one of the most attractive investment destinations in Nigeria and has methodically crafted itself as a manufacturing bedrock of Nigeria. Everywhere that you look, whether it's right or left, you see a brand new factory coming up. And that shows that also your land issues are very, very smooth. Somebody will now come, you have his land, there won't be any issue. So I especially would like to commend in a very, very special way my good friend, my brother, Your Excellency, the Governor of Ogun State, for your vision.
With a track record of turning ambitious ideas into economic successes, Dangote's latest ventures are not just about expanding his business empire. They're about positioning Nigeria as a dominant player in global trade and manufacturing. But why are these projects so significant, and what impact will they have on Nigeria's economy? Let's dive into the details. Nigeria's economic growth has long been hampered by inadequate port infrastructure, causing congestion at existing facilities and delays in import and export activities. The announcement of a new deep-sea port at the Olokola Free Trade Zone signals a major shift in the nation's trade capacity. This is not the first time the Olokola Free Trade Zone has been considered for major industrial development. The project was initially abandoned due to unfavorable business conditions, but Dangote's decision to revive it underscores the improvements in Ogun State's investment climate under Governor Dapo Abiodun. During his visit to the governor, Dangote reaffirmed his commitment to the Olokola Free Trade Zone project, explaining that while it was initially abandoned, the current administration's policies and investor-friendly climate had encouraged his company to return. He emphasized that collaboration with the state government was already in motion to develop what would become Nigeria's largest seaport.
Are they able to have it on record that the factory you are visiting now, Itori, it was because of His Excellency that we came back. That factory was demolished twice. We started building, Amosun demolished it. The second time we started again, he demolished not only the factory, including the fencing. So we left. But right now, we're coming back with His Excellency, my brother, Minister for Abiodun. We are now back. When we go there, you will be very surprised.
The significance of this port cannot be overstated. With Nigeria being Africa's largest economy and a major hub for trade, a state-of-the-art port will reduce reliance on congested facilities in Lagos, improve supply chain efficiency, and create thousands of jobs. The deep-sea port is also expected to attract foreign investments and serve as a gateway for increased exports, boosting Nigeria's position in international trade. As part of his expansion into Ogun State, Dangote is also constructing a 6 million metric ton per annum cement factory in Itori. This new facility adds to his existing cement plants, including the 12 million metric ton per annum Ibis plant, making Ogun State the undisputed cement production capital of Africa with a total capacity of 18 million metric tons per annum. For Nigeria, this is more than just a business expansion. It's a critical step towards self-sufficiency in cement production. In the past, Nigeria relied on imported cement, but Dangote's investments have reversed that trend, turning the country into a net exporter. With increased cement production comes a stronger foundation for infrastructure growth. Cement is a critical material for the construction of roads, bridges, residential and commercial buildings, and other essential public structures. The availability of locally produced cement will reduce construction costs and speed up the completion of key projects, ultimately improving transportation networks, housing availability, and industrial development. Moreover, improved infrastructure attracts further investments. As road networks expand and industrial zones develop around the Itori plant, new businesses will be encouraged to establish operations in the area. This, in turn, will drive further economic expansion, creating a thriving industrial hub that benefits both Ogun State and Nigeria as a whole. The Itori cement plant is also poised to enhance Nigeria's standing as a regional supplier of cement. With an increased production capacity, Nigeria will be well positioned to meet not only domestic demand, but also supply cement to neighboring African countries. This expansion in exports will strengthen regional trade ties, generate foreign exchange earnings, and contribute to the nation's economic stability. Governor Dapo Abiodun has voiced his strong support for the projects, acknowledging their potential to boost economic growth in Ogun State significantly. He praised Dangote's decision to resume work on the Itori cement plant and embark on the construction of Nigeria's largest port, expressing his gratitude for the industrialist's renewed investment in the state. While the prospects of these projects are promising, challenges remain. Infrastructure bottlenecks, bureaucratic red tape, and regulatory hurdles could slow progress. However, Dangote's track record of overcoming obstacles suggests that he is well equipped to navigate these challenges. Aliko Dangote is a prominent businessman and philanthropist renowned for his transformative impact on Africa's industrial landscape. As the founder and CEO of the Dangote Group, he has diversified his conglomerate into various sectors, including cement, sugar, salt refining, and oil and gas, establishing a significant presence across multiple African countries. A landmark achievement in Dangote's illustrious career is the establishment of the Dangote Petroleum Refinery. Located in Lagos, Nigeria, this refinery is the world's largest single-train facility, boasting a capacity of 650,000 barrels per day. The refinery commenced operations in 2024, marking a significant milestone in Nigeria's quest for energy self-sufficiency. The Dangote refinery has significantly impacted Africa's energy sector by reducing Nigeria's reliance on imported fuel, producing 53 million liters of gasoline daily. It has strengthened the economy by saving foreign exchange, creating jobs, and boosting local industries. The refinery's competitive pricing has stabilized fuel costs, forcing market adjustments that benefit consumers. Dangote's commitment to industrial development continues to be a game-changer for Nigeria and Africa. With the Olokola Seaport and Itori cement factory on the horizon, the country is poised for increased economic growth, job creation, and enhanced global competitiveness. These projects will not only strengthen Nigeria's infrastructure and manufacturing sectors, but also reinforce Dangote's legacy as a key driver of Africa's economic transformation. Your perspective matters. What do you make of Dangote's plan to build Nigeria's largest port and new cement factory? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the New Africa Wealth and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our informative future videos. Stay informed, stay engaged, and thank you for watching.